ISA is not an event company. The events are a byproduct of what we do. Our vision is to create a better world through automation. Our mission is to advance technical competence by connecting the automation community to achieving operational excellence.
Why are we doing this? Because we need to share the knowledge, share the technology, internationally or locally.
As ABB, we work with ISA across the region in each individual country. It's a great platform to meet with our customers, update them about what we're doing in terms of technology, whether it's digitalization or products, and also it gives them a chance to update about what we're doing as a company.
ISA is an excellent platform for cybersecurity for the OT world, opposite to the IT world, the corporate world, because we meet end users, we can understand, listen to the requirements, and present our product in the right framework, in the right form.
The question here, where we get that energy? So far we are getting that energy mainly from fossil fuel. And for electricity sector, almost 99% is coming from natural gas.
Honeywell is proud to support ISA Oman for the growth and development. Honeywell is proud to be here also to interact with end users, with system integrators and vendors. And we are also providing our support to the local community, focusing on harmonization and providing Honeywell technology to this market.